What up? It's Will Vitella, home technology expert, over at another project saving this family from bad Wi-Fi internet all over the house. Specifically from the builder. Look at this mess. Oh my God. What a nightmare. This family depends on having good, reliable Wi-Fi internet service because where they live in their housing community, the cell phone signal reception is absolutely horrible. So they use Wi-Fi calling on their iPhones, but the phone calls drop all the time. Also, even though they have fiber optic service going into the house, 1,000 megabytes, 1 gig of service, and having these custom built-in Wi-Fi antennas around the house from the builder, they get absolutely horrible Wi-Fi speeds comparison to what they're paying for inside of their bedrooms. And for the husband and the wife, they both work from home. They have an upstairs office for her and a downstairs office for the husband. They need it to work great for their Zoom, to be able to do their meetings. And also, they have a college kid that lives at the house that is also a gamer. And he needs also a hardwired fast internet connection. And here with my bro, we are getting it done, doing it professionally. It takes the team to make the dream. So in the bedroom, I'm doing the drywall repair work, the sanding, the texturing, and of course, the touch-up painting. Look at how beautiful it turns out. It doesn't matter that some of the rooms are difficult to get wiring over there because of a 2-story house. Not a problem. We can get it done. Let's take a look at the after. Look how clean this looks. Nice and organized, and you don't have stuff hanging and falling all over the place. And now you have a reliable eero Pro Wi-Fi 6E hardwired Wi-Fi mesh internet system. If you want to get something done professionally like this, go to hometechexpert.com and click on schedule a free estimate.